like how this turned out. I think I nailed it.
How was your morning though? Like,
good. It was good. It was smooth.
Is it just a little headache? Did you take anything?
I just took something right now.
Pizza, and I'm excited to let the kids try it.
Cool. Nice. That'll be easy peasy.
I love you.
I love you too.
Talk to you later.
Okay, bye. I have been doing YouTube for 16 years and I still struggle with my intro. Anyway, hello. Welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing some fall makeup for you guys. I did a poll here on YouTube because I didn't know if I wanted to do glam makeup or if I wanted to do natural makeup. Last time I checked, natural was winning, so I think that's what we're gonna do. And I'm using drugstore makeup only. I'm kind of regretting these pieces already, but I feel so weird without having like, these little pieces do so much. They're so powerful. So before we jump into the makeup, skin prep is so important. I washed my face and then I went in with this Paula's Choice Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is going to unclog and shrink enlarged pores, smooth and even skin tone. It's one of those skincare products that I notice when I use it and I notice when I don't. I use the Kiehl's, I hope I'm saying that right, Ultra Facial Cream 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula with 4.5 squalene and glacial glycoprotein. Oh my god, I feel like such a beauty guru. Hey Siri. Do you moisturize before or after sunscreen?
If you don't use a moisturizer that fights the sun's rays, apply your moisturizer first, then follow up with sunscreen.
I did it right today. I moisturized and then I went in with my sunscreen. I have been loving Dr.Jart Every Sunday Sun Fluid, broad spectrum, SPF 50. I will say, I do believe that your morning skincare starts at night. So what you do at night is going to affect your morning skin. What was I gonna say, bro? Do I have ADD? I'm going to take a damp beauty sponge. You can use any one you want. This one isn't drugstore. This is from Kiehl. Found this brand on Instagram. For foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match. I am in the shade C1. Hairs are back. I feel naked. This is one of my... Actually, if I had to choose one drugstore foundation that I could use for the rest of my life, it would be this one. It is so beautiful. It reminds me of, if I had to compare it to like a high end, it reminds me a lot of the Makeup Forever HD. And for the foundation, I put it on the back of my hand and then I pick it up like so. I really like when a foundation gives full coverage, but it doesn't feel like full coverage. I hate, especially the older I get, I hate the feeling of foundation on my skin. It drives me crazy. So as you can see, it covers everything. Why do I feel like I have a hair on my face? That feeling when you feel like a lash or a hair on your face, but you don't see it and you can't get it off, but it's there. Drives me crazy. I like recommending this foundation to beginners because it is really easy to work with. It blends out really easy. They have a great color selection and it lasts long. It doesn't feel heavy. It gives great coverage. I am getting older, so I have these little fine lines under my eyes and I feel like it doesn't emphasize them or make them look bad. So I have to be really careful with my under eye area these days. My favorite drugstore concealer is the Maybelline Eraser. I do take the sponge thing off that comes on it because bacteria. I'm gonna use this tapered end of my sponge. I like putting my concealer on the back of my hand and then picking it up as opposed to putting it directly onto my face. I find that I just have more control And I'm very in my less is more era. So I like to pick it up and then go in only where I need it. Again, I don't want to feel like I have a lot of product on my skin. I want to keep it as light as possible. So I'm going to go in the center of my forehead because I always have this little red patch there. And then I just look very closely at my skin. And then, so just go over. Whatever's left, I'll just run over my eyelids. So I need to bring some color back into my face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in Light. And for this, I'm going to use a brush. This is a foundation brush. This is the BH Cosmetics and Doja Cat collab. I love this brush set. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in, pick some up, and I'm keeping it more on the tip, just the tip. And I'm just gonna pop this right here to contour. So I'll do that. And then I'm gonna use my beauty sponge. And this is my favorite, all-time favorite, even out of like high end. This is my favorite cream contour product. It blends out so nice. I love that it's not too dark. Look at how easy that blends out. Some cream products are a nightmare. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to take to my jawline, try to snatch that up a bit. And I'm also going to bronze up my forehead. And then I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to use the Jessup eyeshadow brush. I got this in a brush set on Amazon. I love these brushes and they were super, super affordable. I forgot how many it came with, but it comes with eyes and face and I love them all. And I will link everything I use down below in the description box. So I'm going to pick up some product and I'm going to contour my nose. I like to create a little circle thing here. It's one of those things that like if I don't do this, I don't feel pretty. It's one of those makeup steps for me that is like I have to do it. Even if I don't do my makeup, I'll still do this. And then I'll just take my sponge and go over, and then I'll go under my nose. I know it looks a little cray-cray. We trust the process over here, okay? Nailed it. I'm gonna blend that out with my sponge. When I apply powder, it's gonna diffuse this, okay? But before powder, I'm going to apply my blush. I am obsessed with this brush from Real Techniques. It's the Brightening Concealer, but I use it for blush. It's the 242 brush, 242. For blush, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. I don't think the lighting is doing it justice. Put this right here. And I like to go up with my blush. And I just tap, 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 tap. Such a beautiful color, oh my gosh. With whatever's left, I'm gonna go right here. Now I'm going to set all of this. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder. I'm gonna use a large powder brush. I'm just gonna pick up that powder. And I just pounce, like stippling motions. I don't wanna rub and disturb all the very hard work I just did. So I'm gonna pat, 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 pat. Next, I'm going to apply my highlight. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild highlighter in Peachy Pink. This was from the Marilyn Monroe collection. I'm not sure if they sell it still, but honestly, Wet n Wild makes great highlights, so you can pick any one. This is my favorite highlight brush, again from Jessup. It came in the set I was telling you about. So I'm gonna pop this right up here. This highlight is insane. So pretty. Oh, look at it. Look at it. And then a little on my nose. Now I don't have a drugstore makeup setting spray that I love, so if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know, because I love the Urban Decay All Nighter. I know some people like to spray their face at the end, but I really like the spray specifically for my skin anyway. Like, I don't want my lashes getting wet, you know? Next, I'm going to do my eyes. Because we're going for a natural look, this is going to be really easy peasy. I'm going to use the Flower Cosmetics Golden Natural Eyeshadow Palette. Such a pretty palette, neutral palette. Taking my Jessup crease brush, I'm going to go in with this color here. Hold on, I need to do my eyebrows. That's weird. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil in brunette. Brush my brow hairs up. And I'm gonna lightly fill in my brows. And I like to just blend as I go. I like to extend it and drag it out. And if you ever need something to clean up, just use a flat concealer brush. And I'm not even gonna pick up any product. Honestly, there's probably concealer on here. And then to set my brows, I'm gonna use the Got To Be glue for brows. These brows aren't going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna do my other brow. I'll be right back. Taking my Jessup crease brush, I'm gonna go in with this color here. I'm going to take this to my crease. I love this crease brush. And like I always say, when you think you're done blending, blend some more and then some more. So I like to concentrate the product directly into the crease and then diffuse up to the brow bone and then out. And you can kind of create whatever shape you want. You can bring it out, create like a V, you can round it, whatever your little heart desires. We want it very soft and diffused, very demure. I'm gonna take my small detail crease brush. I'm gonna go in with shade 9, this chocolatey dark brown. We're gonna keep this very, very, very soft, blended, diffused. Outer part of my eye, I'm gonna pat that right here. Okay, I'm not gonna rub yet. I'm just gonna pack it down. I'm gonna take my crease brush again, and I'm going to blend those edges. Okay. Then I'm gonna take that same color on this smoky liner blender brush, very, very tiny. I'm gonna look up and put this on my outer lash line. So I went in a little more than I wanted to, but it's fine. I'm gonna take shade 7, this really pretty gold color. And I'm gonna take my shimmery eye shader, and I'm gonna put this on the center of my lid. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the NYX Brow Tint in Ash Brown. I'm basically just gonna do a very light, soft wing. And I'm not lining my whole eye. I'm starting from the center and bringing it out. So that was supposed to be a really soft wing, but you know, It just kind of gets bigger and bigger. That's what she said. Like, someone stop me. I'm taking Hard Candy in Boyfriend. I'm gonna line my lips. I'm a little nervous about this color, but let's go. This stuff does not budge. I will put on, sometimes it's embarrassing because I'll wear not this shade, but another shade that I really love. I'll wear it and then I'll put lipstick on, and then, you know, your lipstick wears off and then you're just like, you just have lip liner. So I have to be very careful when I use these lip liners because I will look crazy. So I have to be mindful and reapply my lipstick. Hard Candy Glosstopia Lip Slide Creamy Oil in Sugar Spin. Oh yeah, that feels nice. That feels so good. Oh yeah. I was so nervous about this color and I love it. Lip liner. Hey girl.
Hey. I don't know what to wear, so I need your opinion. You look so cute. You look like the princess from Star Wars. You could be her for Halloween.
Thanks. What are you wearing right now?
Okay, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. So I have this.
Okay.
With this headband, and I'm gonna straighten my hair real quick. And it's gonna be all like straight, and I'm gonna do my makeup.
Okay. You know what time it is, right?
Yes.
Okay.
With this little bow on my head. What do you
Cute.
like better?
The bow is giving Mormon. All right, I'll see you soon. I love you.
Alright, I'll see you soon. Love ya.
For mascara, my favorite drugstore mascara is the Maybelline Firework. Okay, my mascara takes me a long time, so I'll be right back. This is the lashes. So that mascara is bomb. This is the finished look. I think I nailed the fall part, but kind of got off the natural path. Sometimes it's really hard for me to do a natural look. I will go in with the intention, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna do a little this, a little that, keep it really simple. And next thing you know, I look like this lady. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe. It's free. And give this video a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. And until next time, peace. Are my fingernails dirty? No. Okay. Bye.
Who's that pretty face I never seen before? Got me thinking things I never thought. Got me thinking far out of place. Something feeling different in your presence.